This is a forward. Yeah, that's a forward. Now wait. Far place, but the place I need really far. And the place I name unfriendship. So the friend them don't give them respect and look at until they say, oh yes, no, just look at them until they say, yo, now we alone in respect. Yeah, some friend. Anything when you do, and you beg them for motivation and I give, beware. Yeah. Rule number 1. Rule number 2 now. And next to friend, they say, when they go through certain things like life and death, and they say them laugh after you, think twice. The third thing you know, when they know somebody and you rate them so much, one day you come up with a topic and tell yourself, you're not going to be, you're not going to know it. Just count from 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3, you better have. Why? Because you can't be a friend and a friend life and a danger and all that after you know, and a friend that's the nemesis. What you going now? Otherwise I'm a friend you know. Anything when you do when you say in part 1, you motivate and allow them. Because you see, every man have at least 5 talents, but they don't know which one they love. Listen to this. Me, love dancing, love singing, and I love to correspond with people. And you see, the people who give me motivation are the people who don't expect. Yeah man, a lot of people don't expect. You see people who will feel like I'll get on them. And you see the 4 now, you see the friend that will sit down on the corner and feel like when time you tell them something about your life and laugh and go on and make a mockery for you. Don't pay no mind man, let's go 1 to 4 man, better off man. You think a joke? You most better off? Because you're going. You see, friend, really friend them, you will never find them until you go back where you come from, yeah. And no matter how much friend you have, you always have somebody where you rate, as a family, as a brother, you see me? Because why? Go through too much of them brother. And right now, I cut them off, I cut off a lot of friends right now. So let me tell you this, I go through life and death nearly 3 weeks now, or 2 weeks now. And I tell you, first thing they must say, you know this and you know that. And if you them friend they want to work. Because I know a youth. He say I'm a friend you know, but at the same time I'm a friend that because me I work. And I get work I don't want it. So how me for friend you? I got unfriend you brother. Yeah man, I'm not a friend you. I'm unfriend you brother. I don't want to lazy friend. I talk it again and again and again and again. No lazy friend. You understand? Because look how life nice. You have some friends that tell you they not work for $10,000. But still, if you work for $10,000, they want you to buy them a Guinness, or a beer, or a big $500. So what's the difference when you have a man a friend and the man work $10,000 and you don't want to work $10,000 and you beg him and he say no. You have to feel that way? You can't feel that way. So you see, who know who are you out there? You feel like you're smart. Who's not smart enough? You just remember yourself love people, brother. Yeah man, don't look down on people, brother. Because if you don't look down on people and don't be tired. I have some friends who don't know nothing about money. Because if you tell them about $10,000, I tell you say, you want more than that, but still, you not kill it for $200, right? See what's talking about? You know, I rate it for $200, $300, $400, $500, you not kill it for. But you still don't want to rate for $10,000. So what you do? Unfollow them friend there. Don't make them friend get too close to you. You hear? And no matter what you do, they don't want to each up on you. But you see when they come close to you, you just make them know you're alright. So, you know like, when they call on TikTok and you unfollow somebody, seriously unfollow them when they're in the street, unfollow them. So nobody don't know say affiliate with them and you know them, love them. So anybody who have didn't have a friend there, love them friend there. Look back where you come from. Remember your grandmother tell us that if you never lie with dog, you will catch flea. So you see, waste man friend them are the flea. You see me? I mean you know. Because some of them look down when you laugh off you, talk to you, nice in front of your face, you know. Yeah man, you waste that. But make, you have $1 million and you give him 200,000. Nah, say no, you know. But you never work for it, because you say, you want to work more than that. So you say, who you boy when I want to work, and you work one kind of way I call your name, stop do that. Stop calling people in name. Because when you call my name, when you get out of it, nothing. Because the more you call my name, the more I get stronger. Yeah man, you come good. But alright, you know, because I had a beat. But yes, I go, you know, it's not money is all in life. So many times, you have to appreciate somebody for who they meet. Then a boy nowadays, no matter what you do, you can't give them nothing in respect, you know. If you one time say no, you get free. Just as with them say, no way I do. I will have a third eye. You understand? So you see them waste man friend there, avoid me. And we stop bad mind on the friend we are trying, brother. Because I don't know how no bad mind people are trying now. Listen, again. The friend that we don't want to work, love me. The friend that we attack, name on the corner, love me. The friend them, we are tell us that you don't want to work for no $10,000, love me. So leave me alone and make me work for my $10,000 until it reach to $1 million. Because no boy can't tell me nothing. Right? See that here? Make a talk and a plan right now. If I go and I want to work, you don't feel for do, I buy some dallor give them. Because that's the whole thing I do. Buy some dallor give them. I make them move here. They want to work with something to work yourself. Because I fish them I will be with that. Something wrong with them. Something wrong with them. Something wrong with them. Giant fish them there, love them. Me no business with them. So avoid me here, just leave me alone, let me live. Just like that. So, have a nice day, fake friend. What's that? What's wrong with them man? Every day you see them on the road, they want to get $10, they get $20, they get $50. I don't know, how you beg a man $20? 20, it can be $20 per road, $100 per road, when you can work $10,000 and have money for you in your pocket for a week. No matter. So fake friend, love me. Have a nice day here. I tell you, the truth from heart, I don't want to leave the friend.